Okay, now see here, this is given A is equal to, what is our A value here? Tell me. Cos alpha,
cos
sin alpha, sin alpha, and again minus sin alpha into cos alpha. This is the value of it. Now tell me how to find out its transpose. What is the definition of transpose of a matrix? Row, we have to write it as a column. Cos alpha, sin alpha. First row is this one. I made it as a column. And second row, again we have to write as a column. Minus sin alpha. It's a cos alpha. Now we got the transpose value. Now we have to multiply these two matrices and show that it is equal to identity matrix, which is 1001. Let me check it. You have to multiply A into A transpose, which our is cos alpha it's a cos alpha, sin alpha. Tell me what is the next? Come on. Minus
sin
sin alpha into cos alpha.
cos alpha.
This will be multiplying with the transpose. Transpose value is cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha. आप हेडफोन लगा के पढ़ रहे हो?
जी
फिर भी डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है. Now you see, before multiplying the matrices, you have to check the condition. 2 rows, 2 columns. Here also 2 rows, 2 columns. If matrix multiplication is possible, we can multiply these two matrices. 2 rows and 2 columns. Condition is satisfied, and the resultant matrix should have the rows, 2 rows and 2 columns. It means we can multiply these two matrices. Let us multiply. And you know the process of multiplication. We have to multiply this first row, this entire row, this row, we have to multiply with this column, right? Let's multiply and tell me. Cos alpha into cos alpha, together becomes cos square alpha. Cos into cos square plus, tell me what? Sin into sin is square alpha. First row, first column is over. Multiply with the first column also. First row with this second column. With this we have to multiply this one. This entire column we have to multiply. So then if you multiply, it is becomes minus sin alpha into cos alpha. You can either write first sin alpha or cos alpha, no problem. Plus this is sin alpha into cos alpha, correct? Is it correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Now second row with the first column. Again we multiply like that. Minus into cos alpha plus again cos alpha into sin alpha. This second row with the second column, minus into minus plus, sin into sin is sin square alpha, and again plus cos into cos is cos square alpha. Okay, now you see some reasons I will write here. This minus sin alpha cos alpha will be cancelled. This will be cancelling with this, and this minus sin alpha cos alpha cancelling with this plus sin alpha cos alpha. And already we know that sin square alpha, this is trigonometric identity. One second. Sin square theta, whatever may be the theta value, cos square theta is equal to 1 always. This is the trigonometric identity. So means this value साइन पहले रहने दीजिए या कॉस पहले रहने दीजिए, एडिशन में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा वैल्यू इज 1, so this value is 1 here, this is 1 here, nothing is left as 0 here, nothing is left as 0 here, 1, so which is nothing but identity matrix. No, identity matrix. Yes, definition पढ़े आप identity matrix का?
Yeah.
So A into
जी.
A transpose is equal to identity matrix. This order we have shown, this order. Now in this order also we have to show the same result. Look at different order we have to find out. Now A transpose here first into A, which is equal to, now you see what is our transpose matrix. Our transpose matrix will be cos alpha minus sin alpha into sin alpha into sin alpha into cos alpha. This is the A transpose value into, we have to multiply with A. Our A value is cos alpha, and here we have sin alpha, and once again here we have minus sin alpha into, here we have cos alpha.
Yes.
So now again the same concept. What is the concept? We have to multiply this entire row. We have to multiply
With
this
column.
entire row with this entire column. Okay, let us see how the multiplication will be performed here. It is equal to, now first row first column method, cos into cos is cos square alpha, okay, minus into minus plus sin square alpha, sin square alpha. First row first column multiplication is over. First row second column, cos into sin, so it is becomes cos alpha into sin alpha, again plus into minus is minus alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha. This is second row with the first column. ये अपन पहले भी कर चुके हैं, पहले स्टार्टिंग में बेसिक में, है ना? sin alpha into cos alpha plus into minus minus again sin alpha into cos alpha. या तो आप अपनी पुरानी वाली रिकॉर्डिंग्स उठा के फिर से देख लीजिए मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसा करना है. साइन इंटू साइन साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस, और यहीं पे पूछ लीजिए अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है, कॉस इंटू कॉस कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा. आप कभी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत करिए, जो भी आपको डाउट है अभी पूछिए. साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा. Okay, this bracket will be closed, and again same story like a previous question. This minus terms will be cancelling this plus terms, this minus term will be cancelling this plus term. Again this cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, according to this one, that value is 1. So let us substitute those values. So if I am substituting this one, this is nothing but 1 0 0 1, which is equal to again identity matrix. Identity matrix. So therefore we have shown that if you find out A into A transpose, or if you find in a different order A transpose into A, in all these cases we are getting our answer is identity matrix. Therefore here we can say that A is orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix का definition पहले से ही है आपके पास. A is orthogonal matrix, which is end of this problem. Ash, do you have any doubt in this? If you have, please, I request you can ask me now only. Otherwise, there is a problem for you. Otherwise, this will become a lengthy, difficult for you. If you skip anything, if you compromise anything, later on it will become a big issue for you.
No
So
doubt, sir.
whatever it is there, you can ask me so that I can tell you, so that you will get the idea how to do it.
Yeah.
Yes. Now let us see some more questions. No doubt in this?
No.
Okay. Go for another question. Okay. This question is interesting question. Now next, I'll take the next page. Next page. Now look at the question is find the values of find the values of here the values of x, y, z and a. X comma y comma z and small a. These are the values we have to find out. X, y, z and a. If one matrix will be given here, this matrix is like that. X minus 3, 2y minus 8. Here is z plus 2. And here is what? 6. It is equal to 5, 2, minus 2, a minus 4. If these two matrices are equal to each other, we have to find out the values of x, y, z and a. Correct? Solution.
Yes.
Solution. In the solution, already given these two matrices are equal. If two matrices of the same order, what's the order of this matrix? 2 rows, 2 columns. Here also again 2 rows, 2 columns. If two matrices will have the same order, then we can say their corresponding elements are equal. It means this element is equal to this element. Write it. X minus 3 is equal to 5. X minus 3 is equal to 5. Minus 3 we can bring that side. Then x is equal to minus 3 will go that side, becomes plus. This 5 as it is. Minus 3 will go that side, becomes plus. Then we can say 5 plus 3, 8. So means x value is 8. First value we got it. Now second element. This 2y minus 8 is equal to this 2. Each and every element must be equal. So then we say 2y minus 8 is equal to 2 again. Minus we can bring that side. So we're getting 2y is equal to, will go that side, becomes plus. This is 2y is equal to 10.
10.
In here 2 ones are 2 5s are. Then y is equal to, what do you say? Y is equal to 5.
5.
This second value we got it.
Yeah.
Next, come on. This z plus 2
Next, we have
must
Z
be
plus
equal to minus 2. Take that condition. Z plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Plus 2 will go that side, becomes minus 2. Z is equal to, here already minus 2 is there. This plus 2 also will go that side, minus 2. Then z is equal to, what do you say? Together these two becomes minus 4. We got the value of z. Last but not least, what is it? 6 is equal to
6.
a minus 4. Minus 4 we take that. Minus 4 we can take that side. So 6 plus 4 is equal to a. Then what is a? 6 plus 4 becomes 10. That's it. Got the solution of all the questions?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. One small question. I think you can do it this. Just do it and tell me the answer. I'm waiting for your answer. This is question number 3. If 1, 4, 2, 0 is equal to x y square, okay, and 2, 0, then find x and y and tell me the answer. You can send me through the WhatsApp, photo bhi jayegi. Find x and y within 2 minutes. I can't take much time.
Yeah.
Come on, start. Hello, what's the answer?
I'm doing.
Yes, you should not take this much of time for this small question.
सर व्हाट्सएप पे मैं सेंड करूँ.
Y square is equal to 4. Y is equal to root of 4. Yes, correct. Y value 2 is correct. And what about x? X is equal to 1. Yes, yes, it is
Is
correct.
equal to 1.
Yes, it is correct. Now we can go for. You remember the definition of skew symmetric matrix? Compose of a matrix is
Definition of
equal to definition of skew symmetric matrix. Let me do that one question based on that skew symmetric matrix. That is question number 4. What happened here is, if A is equal to one matrix is there, that is skew symmetric matrix actually, x 1 4, -1, 0, 7. Again -7. Sorry, not -4, -7, 0. And A is already given here. A is skew, symmetric. A is skew, symmetric, matrix. A is skew symmetric matrix. Then find x. Then we have to find out x value. Now it's a small revision for you. The question is, I'm asking you, what is the definition of skew symmetric? Because if you know the definition of skew symmetric, then only you can solve this question. Solution. Given A is skew symmetric. Given A is skew symmetric. Tell me what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This implies that transpose of a matrix A power T is equal to minus A. This is the meaning now. This only definition of skew symmetric matrix. Now transpose, how to find out? We have to find the transpose of this matrix will be row, we can write in a column x1 4. It's a -1 0 7. It's a -4. This is -7. This is 0. Row we made as a column. It is equal to every element of A should be multiplied with minus. That is called additive inverse. So if you multiply, we'll get minus x. It's a -1. It's a -4. It is minus into minus plus 1. 0 multiply with minus and 0 only. It is minus sign. It is minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 4. Minus into minus plus 7. 0 into anything is 0. Dulha, sit here only. Otherwise, no network. Now you see, these two matrices are equal to each other. What is our target? Our target is to find out the value of x. Right now? So if you equate each and every element, corresponding element I am going to equate. Now you see, कौन से elements different है जरा बताइए आप. This x and this minus x will be different. And remaining, you see, all the elements are equal. Correct? Is it correct? Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. Where is that screen gone? Oof. Okay, do one thing. I'll send it this recording. Join this meeting once again, huh?
Okay.
अब्दुल बारी आई है